Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to talk to anyone in Fortnite. Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to talk to anyone in Fortnite. You can talk to anyone in Fortnite. There's two ways to do it. You can either do push to talk or automatic. So the push to talk, you need to go right here, and right here at the voice method, there's an open mic, push to talk, and mute. When you put it on open mic, your mic will be open, and anyone in your party will hear you talk without clicking any buttons. And when you put it on push to talk, the button you have chosen to push to talk, that will be used for when if you want to talk. So right here, I'm gonna find my push to talk communication. My push to talk is letter T. So when I click T, it will I will be able to talk in game. And there's another way to talk in game, talk to anyone in game, is by using chats. By clicking chat, you will send a message to anyone in your party. Upper hello. There you go. That's how you talk to anyone on Fortnite. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.